Welcome to Puzzle Mania. I'm Conductor Bob. Hop on board the Puzzle Mania Express to visit fantastic puzzles and places. Click on any car to get started. If you've never been on the Express before, click on the car marked Surprise Me. It's a great place to start. Index! Click on any puzzle to go directly there.
Oh, what a nice cave.
Moo, where's the barn?
Moo, moo.
Oink, oink, oink.
All aboard!
Find it! Let's roll! Animals. Dragons. Play puzzles randomly. This puzzle has been put into your puzzle suitcase.
All aboard! My puzzles!
Conductor Bob, at your service. Find it. Index. Challenge. My puzzles. Controls. Puzzultimate. Surprise me. Welcome. Grown-up stuff.
Hello, welcome to the Dawn, playground for the new power generation. There are over 500 experiences to choose from. Here's a sample.
Welcome to the Dawn, playground for the new power generation. There are over 500 experiences to choose from. Please come.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to get through this thing called life.
Come play with me. Your travel has taken you this far, but there is still much more to see. The shortest distance between the here and the beyond is to play.
back on board the ship now. Bearing southeast. Periscope up.
The Graphic Zone invites you to take a trip down Highway 61 Interactive with the legendary Bob Dylan. Once in a generation comes an artist of the magnitude and importance of Bob Dylan. This interactive music CD-ROM harnesses his 3 decades of contributions to music. Explore legendary Greenwich Village and discover the people, places, and events that influenced Bob Dylan's music. Join the revolution that percolated in the coffee houses of Greenwich Village, featuring vintage Bob Dylan, beat poetry, and more video and audio treats.
Hey, how you doing? Come on in. Grab yourself a table, walk around, explore the place a little bit. Lots of stuff to do. Have fun.
It's unbelievable. It's strange but true. It's inconceivable.
Exactly, look from the crack to the track, and the beat pounding his brain, and he taught how to walk in it.
Everything stays down, but it's wounded. And come, you're going north and you're going south, just like bait in a fish's mouth.
All right, everybody, 15-minute break.
Sit in on a recording session of Like a Rolling Stone, from first take to final cut, in a virtual recreation of the Columbia Recording Studios in 1965.
I was invited by Tom Wilson, the record producer, to attend a Bob Dylan session and watch.
Rolling Six.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Thousands of fans and an unparalleled lineup of stars joined to celebrate Bob Dylan's 30-plus years of music. And you've got front row seats and a backstage pass.
Welcome to Madison Square Garden. I'm Chris Christopherson, and this is Bob Dylan's night.
A young white folk singer was not interesting to me until I saw the cover of The Times They Are Changing, and this guy looked so ravaged and old for a young man. It was as good as being black in a way.
Good evening, welcome to the Supper Club. We've been expecting you. You will find a table reserved for you in the main theater right through those doors. Please enjoy the show.
Discover your special free tickets to Bob Dylan's exclusive 1993 Supper Club performance. Stroll inside, find your reserved table, and enjoy 2 exclusive video performances.
And the silent night will shatter with the sound inside my mind. As I'm one too many mornings, someone who understands.
Plus, it includes an unparalleled, comprehensive interactive database of all of Bob Dylan's albums, songs, lyrics, and liner notes, all assembled in one place. An interactive timeline of Bob Dylan's career, an exclusive music video montage signifying the influence of war on Bob Dylan's music, and an interactive scrapbook filled with rare photos, images, and recordings tracing his youth and artistic career. Bob Dylan's Highway 61 Interactive features a previously unreleased electric version audio track of House of the Rising Sun, which is playable on any audio CD player, 7 virtually rendered, fully navigable environments, a complete database of all of Bob Dylan's albums, songs, lyrics, and liner notes, celebrity interviews with the stars of his 1993 Madison Square Garden tribute concert, interactive timeline of Bob Dylan's career, interactive scrapbook loaded with rare photos, images, and memorabilia tracing Bob Dylan's career. Highway 61 Interactive is a hybrid CD-ROM disc that can be played on both Windows and Macintosh formats, including Power Mac. Highway 61 Interactive is an interactive experience into the virtual world of legendary singer, songwriter, poet, and culture shaker Bob Dylan. Meet Bob Dylan on Highway 61 Interactive. The journey won't be the same without you.
On Highway 61.
Okay. The monitor. Password. Ready, TJ? Yeah, I'm ready. Hey, what's up? Welcome to TJ's Real Extreme CPU Room. My name is Travis Jett, TJ, and I'm your host. In this show, we use a bunch of cool video clips that I jacked from America's Funniest Home Videos to help us show people from all walks of life as they really are. The way for you to get started with my show is simply cruise through my room here and go through my stuff. Now get going! Greetings, Earthlings. You have entered my story machine. Sorry, I got all caught up in the wires. Okay, that thing you just clicked, it represents a visual presentation I put together. Only you've got work to do. I didn't finish editing it. I've got 5 incomplete parts to this thing. Football is a game of strategy. You know, X's and O's and chalkboards full of plays for both the offense and the defense. Unfortunately, the coach on my team gets carried away with those big plays and loses sight of the actual game. At the very least, the game should be fun. When a coach gets too worked up over strategy and the other team's plays, the game becomes as boring as cleaning the rain gutters with my dad. I think my new coach needs a serious strategy session about reality.
Let's take a look at their quarterback.
Welcome back to my room. Now, I know you want to get back to messing around with my stuff, but first, I've got to pay for some software upgrades, so here's, you guessed it, a commercial. This summer vacation, be sure to make your way to Marine World, where you and the whole family can observe exotic sea creatures in a natural setting, including the spectacular killer whale, Flaboo. Oh no, you just threw the total control switch. You don't know what you're getting yourself into. I'm kidding. I say that only because this is simply a trickier version of the story machine. Whoa! Wow. Okay, boys and girls, here they are. Explore any one of these 12 things for 12 morbid and shocking experiences. But beware. Oh, sorry, you caught me dozing off. I'm all worn out from capturing all these America's Funniest Home Video clips into my computer. Did you know I've got over 400 of these suckers? Everything from dorky kids to goofy pets to dopey adults. And in this little multimedia program I put together, you can just kick back all day and watch them one after another. If you want, you can look through them by category. Just click on the video you want and it plays. Now, doesn't that sound easy? That's why I call it the lazy mode.
Graphic Zone. And America's Funniest Home Videos presents Lights, Camera, Interaction. Get ready to turn your home into a virtual laugh factory. Okay, America, you're in charge.
You'll never have so much fun with your computer. In the attic, you can combine videos with 30 hysterical storylines to make a unique creation. Or get really creative in the editing room. You may just want to kick back with the remote in the living room and simply view the more than 450 videos on the disk. Get online with CompuServe and send your creations to friends or enter them for prizes. Rummage through the attic to select one of 30 stories waiting for your creative touch. All the icons are hot and represent funny setups sure to please the entire family. Select your video choices and watch your creation come to life.
From the veranda of the villa, she could see down to the beach where Vathio sunned himself. He was indeed, she thought, a perfect specimen of a man. Feeling the sea breeze and closing her eyes, she imagined herself locked in an eternal embrace, pressed against his golden, taut body.
You can always kick back and relax in the living room to view your favorite clips one by one or over and over again. There are 37 categories and over 450 videos for hours of enjoyment. In the editing room, you have total creative control. Select any of our templates. Then you decide which videos to insert, or load your favorite saved creation, or one you've downloaded from CompuServe, and then play it.
From the studio that brought you Aliens from Venus. Comes a whole new level of terror. A scientific experiment gone horribly awry.
When you're done, save your favorite creations and send them to your friends, or post them on CompuServe for others to enjoy, or to win prizes. America's Funniest Home Videos, Lights, Camera, Interaction from Graphic Zone turns your computer into a virtual laugh factory. You'll never have so much fun with your computer.
Graphic Zone. And America's Funniest Home Videos presents Lights, Camera, Interaction. Get ready to turn your home into a virtual laugh factory. Okay, America, you're in charge.
Oh, hello, and welcome to the Julia Files program, Cooking with Applications, where you'll learn how to make a delicious and non-fattening Windows 95 compatible application step by step. People ask me...
People always like to have a good time when they're learning. People are going to want to go from step A to step B to step C because they want to see what's next to the jokes. Even if they don't have that much interest in Windows 95, but they do, they're going to have fun doing it. And they're going to go back to see their favorite comedian again, and they're going to get back to that spot, and that lesson will be even more reinforced in their minds.
When new software is introduced, like Windows 95,